Where to find ultimate mode, how to enable it, and also how to add the quick toggle on your Poco X7 Pro phone. Let's do it. The first place you can look for the ultimate mode is using the quick access. And if it is not part of your quick toggles, you can always go to edit right here and look for ultimate mode. It is sometimes known as performance mode, so look for that if you don't see ultimate mode. But when you see it, press on the plus right there, and it's not going to be part of your quick toggles. You can also put it in a position in which you can get access to it a lot faster. So you can bring it somewhere up here or so, and then press the check mark so it can be saved into your quick access. Now, with all that said and done here, you'll use the quick access like this here, and you can now see ultimate mode, which is this one here. A single tap turns it on and a single tap turns it off. All right. Also, when ultimate mode is enabled, you'll notice that your battery icon has a blue color with that little icon next to it on the top left area. Now, if you don't see it there for some odd reason, you can always go into the settings, go into your main settings here, and go down to battery and look for the current mode right here. And if it's not part of it, then chances are you just might not have it. You may maybe have a different model, but it's either ultimate mode or performance mode, like and so.